Supergirl issue 11 opens at where both the previous issue left off and also the events of DCKO issue 5. Superboy has come to find Supergirl to help search for Superman, who has been missing since that very issue. But before she can put her all into that, she has her own problems in the bottled city of Kandor. Supergirl enters Kandor and has no idea what's going on there, so as she makes her way through the place she once knew, she comes to realise that things are a little bit different. There are monsters, people are scared, and it's up to her to get to the bottom of it. She encounters some monsters terrorising innocent people, and they both mention a being called the Black Flame. She recognises some of what's going on as Leslie Lar's super substance, and while she really doesn't want to believe that this is the case, it's really drawing closer and closer to becoming more true. Eventually, Supergirl tracks them down, and it's here we see how scared Leslie is, and we get a first introduction to the Black Flame, which turns out to actually be a relative of Leslie. Leslie makes a very disappointed decision here, and it ends badly for Supergirl, but with that said, her courage and relentlessness really aid her here. We get to see a head-to-head fight here as both Supergirl and the Black Flame try to get through to Leslie so she can take her side. Both sides refuse to give up, and this gives us some really bloody and brutal moments between the two, and one ends up considerably worse than the other. As this goes on, Superboy and Lena are trying to contact Supergirl to get updates, but they aren't the only ones that are aware of her being in Kandor, as a familiar person watches her battle from the sidelines. Things aren't looking good at the end of the issue for Supergirl, but with that said, it's all leading towards the upcoming Superboy story arc, and I'm really intrigued to see the role of this mysterious new character in this arc and this series.